In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a Zoho invoice. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, the first screen you'll see is the dashboard. This is your primary hub, a centralized place where you can keep an eye on all your financial activities within your organization. It's a good idea to take a couple of minutes to get familiar with the options and various metrics available here, as they can provide valuable insights into your financial health. Once you're comfortable with the dashboard, the next step is to locate the Sales tab, usually positioned on the left side of your screen. Give it a click and then select Invoices from the drop-down menu. In this section, you'll find a comprehensive list of all your invoices, which gives you a clear overview of both the payments you've received and those that are still owed. Now scroll through this list to find the specific invoice you wish to pay. If you happen to have a long list of invoices, finding the right one might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry. You can use the filter options available to search by various parameters like date, customer name, or invoice amount, which simplifies the process considerably. Once you've located the right invoice, go ahead and click on the Record Payment button to begin entering your payment details. You'll now see a payment form appear, which you should fill out with the utmost accuracy. This includes the payment amount, the date of payment, and your chosen mode of payment, whether it's a bank transfer, credit card, or any other method. Ensuring that all information you enter is accurate is crucial to avoid any discrepancies in your financial tracking. Before you move on, take a moment to double-check your entries. It's always better to be safe than sorry. After you've input all the required details and are confident everything is correct, click Record Payment again. This will finalize your transaction by logging the payment into the system and updating the invoice status from pending to paid. If everything's gone smoothly, you should see a confirmation message indicating the payment was successful. As a final step, it's wise to take a quick look at your invoice list once more to ensure the payment was indeed recorded correctly. This simple verification step can go a long way in preventing any potential confusion or issues in the future. And that's it. Paying a Zoho invoice is straightforward and ensures your financial management processes run smoothly and efficiently. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to revisit it anytime you need a quick refresher.